And finally, if you want to gray out the unused section of the sheet, then go to View tab and click on Page Break View, and this grays out the unused section of the sheet. The zoom setting has been reduced to 60% to accommodate first page of the sheet because you are in Page Break View. You can bring back the zoom level to the desired level. What I'm using right now is I'm pressing keeping the control key pressed, and I'm using the mouse scroll button to adjust the zoom level. So right now you see it is at 100%. If you want, you can make it bigger so that your price list looks very prominent.